Hey VW Lifers, have I got a surprise for you? Martin has been working so hard on this new design and we just got it into our merch department, and it's the new VW Life logo with a beetle on it. So all you Type 1 guys, check it out. I'll put a link below. You can get a VW Life shirt with a beetle design on it now. We appreciate all your support, and now enjoy the video.
Well, hey, VW Lifers, going solo today. Well, if you consider Willie, if he's gonna roll with us too, this is kind of like our first Volkswagen thing that we've done. Social distancing practice and all that. One of the longtime Aircooler gang here in Austin, old Marc, he did a video lapping valves a while back with us. So old Marc is turning 50 today, so we're gonna surprise him and do a drive-by, and so that's where we're headed. I don't know how many Volkswagens we're gonna have. It might be just me and Matt Jackson, or it might be 15 or 20. We'll just have to wait and find out. I'm not taking Rocky 12, but would you look at that? Yes, there'll be more coming on that. I know people are jonesing for some Scirocco news. We're gonna be taking Jerry today, and Willie Boy's gonna be riding shotgun. The essentials that we gotta have this day and age. Isn't it terribly sad? We got your hand sanitizer, our mask, wipes, and rubber gloves. Goodness gracious alive. Ugh, it's terrible, but that's the way it is. All right, you ready, Willie? Are you ready? All right, Willie says he's ready. Let's see if what happens here. Ooh, that's always a good sign. Let's open up some Safaris, Willie. What do you say? Hey, there's a 67 and another Scirocco. Here we go. We're off to meet everybody at the Chevron, and then from there on to Marc's. So CBs are on channel 5. Let's roll. Come on. Yesterday.
Happy birthday to you. Dear Charlie and Mike. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you very much.
Hey, Matt.
50, huh?
Yeah.
Dang.
Downhill from here, man.
Yeah, I can imagine.
You can imagine.
He's dressed in black today, too.
Yeah, I got on a black shirt, black shorts, black shoes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mike. Charlie. Happy birthday.
Marc. Don't be careful. Alrighty.
All right, well, Gary's way over there, Tommy's way over there. We're social distancing. Thanks for watching VW Live today.
Hey, I want to say thanks to all you guys that cruised by on my birthday, bringing all the V-dubs over. That was really special. I had no idea this was going to happen. It was truly an awesome event. Y'all were able to pull together, and thanks to my son Axel for all the effort he put in to contact you guys. I didn't know it was going to happen. All right, peace out, y'all.